So where have we come out?
We've come from our hotel in Podgorica.
Yeah.
To this monastery.
What's it called?
The Monastery of the Lost Souls.
Yeah.
Of Podgorica.
The Monastery of the Lost Souls of Podgorica.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's obviously there's a translation.
Yeah.
I have no idea what it's called. You googled it and found it.
Ostrog Monastery.
Ostrog.
Yeah.
Okay.
But what it looks like is these are all queuing up to go into a service. It's Sunday, of course. We never even considered that. And every now and again, there's a little bit of sort of
chanting.
Yeah, we'll call it chanting, shall we? I think a lot of these are going in for service. So the queue's not moving very quick at all. So we'll probably.
I think it was the Rivers of Belief. That's just.
Arrived at our hotel. Originally, they've rebuilt the hotel in a different location. The original hotel was 10k to the south of Dubrovnik, and then suddenly, overnight, they've moved it to 10k to the north, haven't they, and renamed it from the Sheraton to the Sun Garden.
Very, very elaborate reasonings for making a dramatic screw up that's ruined my life. Where you booked the wrong hotel, or you did the route to the wrong hotel.
Well, basically, I did the route to the right hotel. You changed the hotel, didn't you? Well, we've been in the sea, and the hotel has got lots of restaurants along here, which we're going to come to later. One of them, don't know. But it's got an adults only pool down there. There's nobody in it at all, so we thought we'd go and relax in the pool for a while. Maybe watch the sun go down. Chat whilst we're en route. We've arrived in Mostar, 31 degrees. We're in our hotel, which is up there, Hotel Mepas. We're on our way into town, to the river to go and have a look at the bridge. Not too long today, I mean it's 3:30. We set off at 11:30, so fairly straightforward to get here, wouldn't it?
Yeah, short, but really nice, pleasant ride. Yep. Hot weather, but nice, pleasant ride.
Beautiful scenery in Croatia, yeah. Along the Dalmatian coast there. Then we came inland. Looks like there's not many people in the hotel, so we'll get to enjoy the spa pretty much alone. So I had an idea, pop into town, way up the bridge, look at stupidity or common sense, and then once we decide on one or the other, then we'll take it from there. Either coffee and cake or ham and cheese. You had ham and cheese this morning, didn't you? Or was it yesterday? Or both? So,
I'm even ready today.
Well, done then.
I'm gonna.
Done.
Oh, I am going.
All right. So we stopped here in the little town of Konjic on the way to Sarajevo. There's the river Neretva. We're just having a coffee. Been spectacular scenery, hasn't it? Really nice scenery.
The ride up to here is absolutely fantastic. It is just gorgeous.
We've got some higher ground to go as we go towards Sarajevo, higher ground on the right, and then at some point we'll come off this main road and we wind our way up towards Mount Igman and whatever. before we drop down into Sarajevo. So that should be quite an interesting little ride. Quite cool today when we set off. A little bit of down at 17 degrees, but it's starting to warm up. I'm sure we'll be boiling within no time at all. Anything else you want to talk about? Have you?
Coffee.
Have you want your coffee? Have you had any breakfast?
Nothing. Unlike you.
I didn't have any. We've just arrived at the Swiss hotel, Sarajevo, and all rather nice and spacious. Staff are outstanding, been really friendly and helpful, and the view of the city of Sarajevo with some fairly special viewing windows here. Very nice. So we're going to get ready and go out into town and go and have an explore. The aim is tomorrow we'll go on some kind of guided tour to have a look around the city then. Anyhow, we're coming to the old town, haven't we? And this here, hang on, let me just get a good picture of it. It's quite spectacular. What, do you know anything about this?
I remember in history, the Orthodox Church of the Most Holy Mother of God Church, I think they finished it in about 1872. It's actually one of the largest Orthodox churches in Balkan. Constructed by a Macedonian constructor, Andrija Damjanov. And it's actually, if you look carefully, it was built in the spirit of near Byzantine tradition.
Well, we've come into a bar in Sarajevo in some kind of dungeon. It's quite incredible. It's like a museum. We're the only two people in here. And this is amazing. What do you think?
It's alright.
Wow. It is like a museum. It's incredible. So James had a beggar came up to him and asked him for a sandwich, right? And he said, "Yes, of course, you're hungry." That was the chips. That was the sandwich. I need to turn it sideways on so you can see the full. James ate the sandwich.
Is there any question involved in this?
Well, I've got no questions. Do you want to say anything?
See,
No.
Steve's camera run out of battery.
No, because that
So,
is what James
all
ate.
the chips.
Chips. Look at the
And
size.
half of the
Look at the
sandwich.
size
So
difference.
bottom line is,
I didn't have any sandwich. I had no sandwich. So, where are we?
we're at Swiss Hotel
Yep.
in Sarajevo.
Swiss Hotel Sarajevo Spa. And as always, there seems to be a very distinct lack of people in here. We've got it to ourselves. There's a couple of people down there, but apart from that, yeah. just arrived in Marina in Croatia, and I don't normally do these room tours because one room is just like another and it's quite nice, but I think this one was worthwhile because that's not a bad view, is it? There he is over there, look, floundered. I'm surprised there aren't people throwing water on him to keep him moist, covering his blowhole. Of course he'll never hear any of these comments, not until much later. James has ordered his dinner, mine's not come yet, but are you alright, are you, there?
Why on earth did you order this much?
I didn't order any, I haven't ordered yet.
Did you order sweet potato fries?
Yeah, I've ordered sweet
order
potato
beef
fries, that's
tacos?
it. Oh, and a couple of beef tacos.
And you said we'll share that.
No, you said we'd share that.
But did you agree to it?
Well, no, not really. I didn't. Well, forcibly, yeah. Right, so talk about today.
So today we left somewhere south of it.
Yeah, what is it called?
Well, it's in Croatia.
What was the hotel
We've come
called?
north.
Hey?
We've come north.
Okay, so what was the hotel called?
The hotel was the...
I'll give you a clue.
Hotel?
Marin.
Marina.
No, that's a place.
Marinus. The
Marinus Horrificus.
De la Ville de Vici.
Right. Actually, you can do a bit of talking whilst well, you can't because your mouth's crammed full of food, isn't it? Which is unusual for you. Anyway, it's rather a special location. I mean, I think this is probably one of the nicer ones.
That's really, really good.
We have, but
Sunset
this,
meals.
I mean,
Great
this
location.
beats the lot, I think. Because the warmth and the I mean, it's
The
just
sunset.
Sunset's just wonderful. Yeah.
The lapping of the waves.
Yes, that as well. Yeah.